In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Claude AI app. If you want to sign out of your account in the Claude AI app, this is a very quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Logging out can be useful if you're using a shared device, switching to a different account, or just want to make sure your session is closed properly. To begin, look at the top left corner of the app screen. You should see the sidebar icon there. If the sidebar is not already open, go ahead and click that icon now. This will open the side menu and give you access to the account and navigation options you need. If your sidebar is already visible, you can simply move on to the next part. Once the sidebar is open, direct your attention to the bottom left area of the screen. There you'll find your profile section. Click on your profile to open the account menu. This is where Claude AI keeps settings and account-related actions, including the option to sign out. After the profile menu opens, look for the logout option. When you see it, click Log Out. As soon as you do that, the app will sign you out of your current account. Depending on the app version you're using, you may be taken back to the login screen or the welcome screen right away. Either way, that confirms that the logout was successful. And that's it. That's the entire process for logging out of the Claude AI app. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. Just open the sidebar from the top left, click your profile at the bottom left, and then select Log Out. If you're following along on your own device, it can be helpful to wait until you actually see the logged out screen before closing the app, just to make sure the action has completed. This is especially useful if you're logging out for privacy or security reasons. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to log out of Claude AI app.